You think surrender means weakness, giving up, losing. But it takes more strength to release than to keep clinging. The strongest thing you can do is stop fighting what you cannot change. That's not defeat. That's power. Surrender is strength. Paid up is strength. Everything you're clinging to is temporary. The moment, the feeling, even the people you love. You can't keep any of it forever. So hold it gently. Love it fully. And let it go when it's time. Release what you cannot keep.